Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I ordered some things on Temu about half and a week ago, and now that I finally got it delivered, I thought I could try and make an unboxing video about it. This is going to have only things that I use in my journal though. I tried to make this as short as possible. It was more than an hour long before the editing. Poor me. First of all, I got myself two pair of tweezers for small stickers. They can be handy. Then this roll of balloon glue is just glue circles ready to be used to glue things. Okay, it's glue, obviously. This is a simple bulldog vintage clip. A bit hard to press, but I love the color. And now, time for the fun stuff. This pack of PET tapes is quite full themed, though I don't know if I will be using all of them, to be honest. The one with the fallen leaves and the one with the white and brown flowers are my favorites. So also the last one is pretty in my opinion. I'm trying my best to avoid the reflection from my ring light. Sadly can't have the help from natural light as it was midnight when I started recording, but couldn't wait longer. Also here weather is being pretty cloudy and rainy these days. This one roll has more colorful stuff than what I usually get. I wanted to try to change for once. It has cutout stickers in it as well, and has this vintage look to it that I really love. This one tape is quite simple, like a vintage looking film. I thought it was a bit less broad, but I don't really mind that. Here I was having such a hard time opening this one PET tape.
One eternity later.
Again, another full team one, just like most of the things I did buy in the end. Is either that or vintage themed things. I'm quite predictable. This I might use for the October theme. I still don't know though. This one I don't know if I will use anytime soon, even if it's quite pretty, though with its pumpkins it's quite fitting for October. It's more of a washi tape kind, though it has a glossy finish in some spots as well. This one tape is thicker paper compared to the usual washi tape. I thought I did end up ripping part of it. Instead, it was just the outside border luckily. These are mostly vintage tags. these last two tapes are quite the same. The only difference is the color, one being lighter than the other. I like the worn out grid pattern on them and couldn't decide which one color to buy, so got them both. Easy. Now time for some ephemera instead. Did I get much of this since I still have some old stuff to use and I'd like to go through my stash before buying more. But at times things are too pretty to say no. These are like frames. There are two for each kind. They are a little embossed, which gives them a more dynamic look. These are some sort of lace doilies. They all look different from each other and there are no doubles. Now some parchment paper letters. Was looking for some music sheet printed on the same material but couldn't find any for now. Hopefully one day. They also came with thicker paper prints as well. These are more doilies, so this time square and all in white. Next time I want to check if they come in an off-white color too. Also I love the noise parchment paper makes. I totally didn't get distracted playing with it. All of them come in different shapes with no doubles. This is handmade paper. I did get something similar from Stationery Pal about a year ago and decided to get more since it's quite fun to use. The pretty side of this paper is that all of them sheets come different even from the same type. The last one also had some sparkling specks in it here and there. I don't know if I managed to catch that on camera though. This is apparently a mix of ephemera and stickers, also thick paper tags as well. I tried to go through them as quick as possible, but the amount of things this one set contained was massive apparently. The stickers are quite small. At times I tried to see what was written in them. In one I did read Italian, something something, so I couldn't really decipher the second word. I hope it wasn't offensive. But they do have a dark academia vibe to them, at least, which is another theme I'd like to do in my journal. Again, some more ephemera. These are printed papers with the borders cut less like. They are on the thicker side, but they do have quite an interesting design to them. This is another set, this time more fall themed, once again with ephemera and stickers. Now, time for the biggest part of the order, which is stickers. These are some parts of brick walls with some ivy on them, so I will surely use them once spring will be back next year, I guess. And of course, more fall themed stickers, because they never feel enough to me. Around they have some gold details which aren't cut out, though I can get them easily with scissors or with an X-Acto knife. These will work perfectly with the PET tapes I did order with them, though I won't be able to use everything together. So it will be decision time for me. To be honest, I hate decision time. It gives me anxiety, but gotta power walk through that or I won't be doing anything. I'm so sorry, but I couldn't avoid using memes. I held back so often before in the previous videos, but now I just can't anymore. These kind of stickers are something I've never used before. They are all black like ink drawings, so I wouldn't mind using them in a golden and black theme perhaps. We'll see. I won't be showing these sticker sheets in details. There are too many and I won't be doing this for the next ones either. These ones have holographic gilding around them. I love holo. Who doesn't? But I don't know if I will be able to use them easily. So I will try for sure since they have a vintage theme as well. These flowers ones are so cute. To be honest, I kinda regret not having taken two of them since I don't know if they are enough for a whole monthly setup. Obviously, more fall theme stickers. I think I'm good for the next 10 fall season with all the things I've gotten. These are more scenery-like stickers, though I like the watercolor effect they have. And finally, the steampunk themed stickers. These are what I really wanted to order, to be honest. So I didn't want to order only these, and this is why there's so many things together. Maybe I went a little overboard. Oopsie, I've taken two kinds though without humans since I don't really like using such stickers in my journal, to be honest. Next, we have some sticker tags. They are quite simple and made out of normal sticker paper, though I really like to use this kind of tag every now and then in my journal. Didn't show them one per time because I take forever. Now time for some windows. When I ordered them, I didn't notice that some of them are already cut so you could open them just like real windows, which is what I wanted to do with them in the end. So, since they are already cut, I will save time, which I always love. These are just simple framed flower stickers. Once again, not going through all of them in details because it was starting to be quite late and I was getting very tired. But they don't really have much detail to them either. These flowers I've gotten to used to with some other stickers I got a month ago, though I still didn't check if they could fit together well. Hope so, to be honest. Finger crossed. Since I didn't get enough tags, I got some more. I guess they didn't feel enough to me, though these aren't stickers in the end. More holographic gilded sticker sheets for me. These are quite various with designs and, to be honest, some are way too colorful for me. Another set with ephemera and stickers, this time more vintage and city themed instead. And obviously, I couldn't not finish with some more fall theme stickers. These are more centered on mushrooms though. These ones also have the gilded details, which seem to be the same as the other set from the same series. Actually, I should have opened them together. Oopsie, once again. This was quite the big haul. I don't think I will need to order more journal materials for quite some time. Anyway, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!